Hi, to change the ringtone sound of your iPhone 13, you'll need to go in the settings first. Here, scroll a bit to see the sounds and haptics tab and simply select the ringtone. So now you can choose any option from the defaults. You can also go in the classic one and select any option from the classic. You just need to tap it like that and it will be set as your ringtone. Or select any option from this first list. Also, you can enable haptics for the ringtone and select the type of the haptics and create new vibration or disable vibration at all. And also you can go in the tune store and here you can install some songs from the iTunes. And also you can use the option to download all purchased tones if you have one. And now to save the changes, simply go back. And here you will see the name of your new ringtone. To adjust its volume, simply drag this slider right or left, and also you can change it with the help of buttons if you enable this feature. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.